Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how to make placemats. They're easy to make and you can make them any size you want. These placemats are used in our RV renovation project. Let's get started.
We're making placemats for the RV and they're a little bit smaller than normal. I'm going to make them 11 by 19 inches just because our table's smaller. So first I'm going to take off this edge of the textiline fabric, and then I'm going to square it up using a clear acrylic ruler. And you notice I'm using a rotary cutter and a cutting mat to do so. So this edge is parallel and nice and straight, and you can see this cut edge is not. So we're going to square up these two edges and then cut them out.
Picking a vinyl mesh fabric from Sailrite like Textiline or Fibertex Plus gives you a durable placemat that is ideal for everyday use or entertaining. It helps protect your table from surface spills, scratches, and stains, and it's also very easy to spot clean to keep it looking great.
So on this cutting mat, it has inch increments. So I've lined this edge up that I've cut to the 0, and I come over here to 19 inches, which is what the size that I want to cut it. And I'll put this on the 19-inch line and make sure this line is parallel, so this edge is perpendicular to the other edge. And then we'll just cut up approximately 11 inches. I go a little bit longer, like that. And these edges are a little bit raw. We're going to show you how we fix that. You can see that if you zoom in here, you can see that there's some fuzzies on this. That's the polyester sticking out of the ends of the vinyl coated strands. We're going to touch that up with a hot knife, which we'll show you here in a minute. So now I'm going to come over another 19 inches and cut another line like that.
Make your size 18 inches by 13.5 and you can get 6 placemats out of 1 yard.
So now I have it over here and I can measure up 11 inches. Make sure this is parallel, or perpendicular, I should say, and we'll cut it on the 11-inch mark. So now we're going to use the tempered cutting glass as a cutting surface and the edge hot knife, and we're going to touch the ends so they don't fray. As you can see, this one's fraying over here. Now, the reason I don't cut it is that sometimes you can burn the edges of the fabric and it doesn't look as good. So what I do is I heat up the hot knife and I just quickly go over all the edges like that. And that basically prevents us from getting a burned edge, and it also takes that fuzziness away. So we'll do that to all 4 sides.
Sailrite also makes a edge hot knife that is corded. It's less expensive than this cordless version, though this is my favorite.
These placemats are typically made out of Fibertex Plus or Textiline fabric available from Sailrite, but there are other choices as well. Those are just the top brands. We've got our 2 cut. Let's go put them in the RV.
Coming up next is the materials and tools list. We used a Textiline fabric from Sailrite, but you can also use a Fibertex Plus fabric for these type of placemats. Again, 6 placemats can be achieved from 1 yard of the fabric if they're 18 by 13.5 inches. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.